Here I'm going and I'm just creating one UI application. So for that I need to go and log into my Azure portal account. Azure portal. Okay, click here. Yes, so I'm there in the Azure portal and let me create one application over here. Let me create one resource over here. So yeah, it's just loading and I will create the resource for UI application. Wave API deployment is already happening over here and we'll create one resource for this. So yeah, of course I have hit it and it is taking little bit time to come it up. Okay, yeah, it came. Hit on this web app after this. So it is just giving me the option to create the web app. Okay, let it load. So I will simply give simple name CRUD app. Hope it exists and it is valid name. It is gonna to check whether this name is valid or not, and if it is valid it will give me the UI application with this name. I will hit the create letters. Okay, the CRUD app .NET Techy. CRUD app .NET Techy. Of course this should exist. I'm sure that no one has taken this in name. Yeah, that's perfect, and let's hit on the create and it will go and create the UI application for me. So here I go, I say go to resource and I will see CRUD app.NET Techy has been created. That's really cool. And one more thing I noticed over here, this application publish has been succeeded. So now I have kept this API URL. I will point out to this API. All right, and we'll go to deployment options. Okay, so here you go on the deployment options and I will check it out. What is the choose source? It is asking me, so I will say I want to deploy with the local git. Okay, so he's and I will say okay. So it's a setting up the deployment resource. Again I will go over here and find out the git clone URL for this one, and it said click to copy. I copied it. All right, I will go to this folder. And I have created one folder, empty folder, and initialize the git over here. Okay, so I will say git init. Okay, git init has been turned. Okay, all right, let me go to VS Code and build the code for the production. Okay, so here you go, and g build hyphen hyphen prod, and we said ng build hyphen hyphen prod and it will build the right. So this build has been succeeded for production, and I'm gonna to this go this application. Here is my build and here I will copy each and everything. Okay, this one I copied. I go above here. I will where I have initialized the git, I will paste it over here. Alright, it is doing that job. Done. I will say git add and I will say store everything in that. Okay, it has done that. I will say git commit nm and we'll say CRUD by .NET Techy check-in. Okay, check-in. Okay, it has done that. Now git add remote origin. I think this is the command. If I'm wrong, then I will pick up the command again. Okay, so I'm just adding remote branch, paste it over here. Did not match. Path remote did not match any false. So what I said, to git add remote. So git remote add. Let's say this one. Let's see if it is working out. Also, we'll check the command. Okay, seems it worked. Git remote -v. We'll check. Yes. Now we'll say git push origin master, and it should push my code to the environment. Yeah, command is working on, and then we'll open this website. It is asking my passwords. Okay, I have a password for this as well, very complex one. It's like it has done it. Let's check here. Total compressing object, no, not yet completed. Let it complete. Alright, it has done it. Let me open this website. Immediately it will open my recently hosted website where I'm having the content. Okay, so welcome to CRUD. This is Azure hosted application. It's running on the Azure. Let's check here. Deep at gmail.com, and let's say phone number is this, and insert it. Let's see what happened. Okay, some error came. Okay, so this is the error because my in API URL is not correct. Alright, let me pause. So this URL was not correct and it was not saved. That's why it was not able to hit the API and it was pointing out to localhost. Now I have corrected it, and let's see if it is able to point out to that particular API. Refresh it and hit deep. Let's say something. Okay, and we'll give the hit success. Okay, it has inserted, although I have to give an okay, it has given. Let's say Tom will insert Tom at gmail.com, and we'll give some name, insert it, get all the record. We got the Tom, we selected Tom here, we can change the Tom value, we can update, and it has updated the record, and even we can delete the record, and Tom has been deleted, and we can test it. Okay, so alright, so this was the CRUD operation in Angular 7 with the front end, with the back end in the API, with the cloud hosting in Azure. Thanks for watching it. Hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe and comment. Wherever you are having question, ask question from me. Thank you for watching it. I hope you have enjoyed it, and you can watch lot of tutorials. If you are having any doubt, you want the source code, I am here to provide it, and I'm here to help you guys. So kindly bear with me. Just follow my tutorial in Angular 7, and I'm sure you will be able to achieve this tutorial, and you will be able to become like this full stack development with the cloud hosting as well. Thank you for watching .NET Techy. Please stay tuned.